adding fractions. So when we're adding fractions, if we don't have the same denominator, we have to, first step we need to do is find a common denominator. So here we're going to be using 15. We're going to put everything on 15, and it's going to give us something on 15. So to make my 3 a 15, I have to times it by 5. If I times the denominator, I have to times the numerator by the same number. So 2 times 5 is going to give me 10. Over here, 5 times 3 gives me 15. So my numerator, 1 times 3. And now the last thing I have to do, just add 10 plus 3. The answer is 13 out of 15. Same thing here. We have to be careful because we have a negative. So we still have to find a common denominator. Everything's going to be on 15. So here I times my 3 by 5. So 2 times 5 is giving me 10. I need to not forget to put my negative over here. So times 3 times 3. Negative 1 times 3 gives me negative 3. Now if I type this in the calculator, 10 plus negative 3 gives me 7 on 15. Second example here, I have two negatives and my denominators are not the same, so I need to find a common denominator. So I'm going to put everything on 8. So here I don't have to do nothing because it's already negative 5 over 8. I can't forget to put my negative. Over here 2 times 4 gives me 8. So I need to times my numerator by 4. Negative 7 times 4 gives me negative 28. Now when I put this in the calculator, we've seen it before, if I'm adding two negatives, it's for sure going to give me a negative. So negative 5 plus negative 28 is going to give me negative 33 on 8. Over here, we have a mixed fraction. So when we have mixed fractions, the first step to do is to put into an improper fraction. So to do so, we're going to do 2 times 6 gives me 12, plus 1 gives me 13 on 6. I'm going to rewrite the rest of my equation. Now, my denominators aren't the same. Step 2, common denominator. So in this case, we're going to be using 12. So everything's going to be on 12. So here, I have to times my 4 by 3 gives me 12. So negative 1 times 3 is going to give me negative 3. Over here, I have to times it by 2. 13 by 2 gives me 26. On the calculator, negative 3 plus 26 gives me 23 on 12.